Weather Service in Columbus has issued a tornado warning for the following counties in Ohio. Franklin County in southwestern Ohio. Fairfield County in southwestern Ohio. Until 6:25 p.m. At 5:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, storm spotters and Doppler radar indicated a large rotating thunderstorm just west of Columbus.